So what are you planning to cook?
It's steamed fish with a twist.
Steamed fish with a twist. What did I say about this? This is the onion leaves.
This is spring onion, chili, onion, tomato, ginger, spring onion sliced.
So what are these? What are these? What? Where is this
All
going?
these are going inside the fish.
Okay, so that's the fish stuffings.
Yeah.
Okay.
This
what about
to
this
make
one?
fish sauce to go on top of it later.
Okay, and you got
And
this
that's
bok
the
choy.
Bok choy.
Okay. Hi, good morning. It's not morning. What are you doing, honey?
Preparing for dinner.
Wow. Dinner.
Yes.
So what's the occasion?
It's the anniversary.
Anniversary.
Yeah.
Okay. So what are you planning to cook?
It's steamed fish with a twist.
Steamed fish with a twist.
Yes.
Is that the fish that we bought earlier?
That's right.
Was that the snapper?
Snapper.
Okay. So what's the twist?
It's a surprise.
It's a surprise. Okay, then surprise me. So Pappu and I came from the night shift. He had 3 night shifts in a row and I got 2. And he woke up early, had a shower, and now he's preparing for dinner. So I'm going to have shower as well shortly, and we'll try his recipe. Fish with a twist. Is that right?
Steamed fish
Steamed
with a
fish
twist.
with a twist. We'll see what's the twist. Life has made a lost person. the onion leaves?
This is spring onion, chili, onion, tomato, ginger, spring onion sliced.
So what are these? What are these? What is
All
going?
these are going inside the fish.
Okay, so that's the fish stuffings.
Yeah.
Okay. So
This
what about
to
this
make
one?
fish sauce to go on top of it later.
Okay, and you got
And
this
that's
bok
the
choy.
bok choy.
Okay. Oh, that's chili.
Chili.
I love chili. So it will be a spicy, hot.
Spicy hot.
Okay.
Onion ring, curd.
So you preheated the oven.
Yeah. Oven's been heated. There.
So what are you going to do with the fish? Is it like steam slash bake?
It's more like a fan baked steam.
Okay.
Steam slash baked.
Okay.
If you know what I mean.
All right. So while the fish is in the oven, so are you going to start with your sauce?
Sauce.
So that was ginger and then
Onion, ginger.
okay. Garlic. Just a little bit of fish sauce, maybe 1 teaspoon. Smells nice. Why do you have a different kind of putting all your ingredients before?
This is my way of cooking. I'm not copying anybody. Coconut milk.
So you're not wasting anything. Because we got a big fish, so we have to use 2 cans of coconut milk. curry powder. Ooh, yummy. The fish is so big. Alright. It's done and we're ready to have our dinner. Looks nice. Smells nice. We'll try.
How is it?
Very nice.
Nice?
Bacon. So nice. Very nice.
That's good. Fish looks beautiful.
I told you, right?
Very nice.
It's nice. Is it nice?
Very nice. Yummy.
Yes, it's very yummy actually, and you have to try it at home. So this is Pappu's anniversary
Dinner. Fish with a twist.
So what's the twist in there? Yeah, you were talking about the twist in there. So what's the twist?
Steam the fish, make the sauce, and then put them together. That's it.
That's the twist.
That's the twist.
Okay. Alright guys. See you in our next video.
Salamat, Ingat. Ingat.
Ingat.
Bye.
Bye.